Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming what you already have. Open PowerShell and run Python version so you know the baseline. Once done, choose the correct installer architecture for your machine, typically x86-64. Download the executable and right-click to run as administrator. Make sure to check Add Python to path on the first installer screen so you can use Python from any terminal. This step saves time and prevents path conflicts later, and it sets up the environment for smooth upgrade. You now use Customize Installation to take control, enable pip, tcl/tk, and the standard library documentation if you rely on offline docs. Opt for Install for all users to put Python under program files and avoid per-user path confusion. This makes future maintenance simpler. Once done, choose the precompiled standard libraries and file association options so Py opens with your new interpreter. This ensures tools like pip and idle match the interpreter, and you finish by verifying the update. Open a fresh PowerShell window and run Python version and pip version. Use Py-3 X to explicitly launch a specific installed release if multiple exist. If scripts still invoke an old build, make sure the new Python's directory appears before older entries in the path environment variable, or uninstall prior versions via settings. If pip installs to the wrong interpreter, run Python mpip install to bind pip to the interpreter you intend. This resolves the most common conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.